So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I've got an automation for you which is an end-to-end sales and marketing funnel. This automation covers the entire sales and marketing funnel from capturing leads through ads, LinkedIn and enriching them through Clearbit or Apollo and pushing them into Pipedrive CRM to automated outreach via email, SMS, booking meetings, sending proposals, signing contracts and even collecting the payments. It basically solves the entire hassle of manual follow-ups, scattered tools and dropped leads, making the process faster, smoother and more reliable. By centralizing everything into an automated pipeline, it boosts the efficiency, improves the lead quality and helps close deals quicker, while giving managers real-time insights for smarter decisions. Now this might look like a complicated automation, but I'll walk you through step by step for why each and every module is used and what is its purpose. So while you pitching this automation to your client, you know each and everything about this automation and can answer any queries about it. So let's get started. So first we have is the Airtable module. It stores every new lead in one clean table: name, email, source, tags, etc. It acts like a master sheet, so everything is stored properly. Next is the email module. It basically sends the first touch and confirmation email to the lead, puts the person's name from Airtable, adds tracking links, and logs a copy. Its goal is quick replies, warm intro, and a proof that the lead didn't get lost. Next is the DocuWare module. It saves any files tied to the lead, IDs, invoices, PDFs, or any uploads, into a secure document store with folders by client or deal. Adds the file link back into Airtable CRM so the team can find documents in one click. Next we have is the Clearbit module. It looks up for any missing details about the lead or their company, industry, size, websites, or any social links. This helps you qualify fast or tailored messages, enriches data, feeds back into the Airtable automatically. Next we have is the Apollo module. It grabs the extra contact info and intent signals and can push targeted sequence if needed. It helps confirm the right email, role and company fit. What it results? Better targeting and fewer bounces on outreachment. Next we have is the LinkedIn module. It basically logs profile links, gathers basic public info and can trigger connections or follow-up tasks. Keep the social touch tied to the same record so you're not hunting across platforms to know what happened last. Next we have is 3 pipeline modules. I'll go through each and every one step by step. The first one basically creates a new deal or a contract in pipeline with all the known fields: source, value estimate, owner, notes, etc. This is where sales lives day by day. Keeps the pipeline clean and ready for the next steps. Next is the pipeline update CRM. It moves the deal to the right stage after an action. Here the email is sent, call booked and document is received. It also updates key fields like score or priority. This keeps the pipeline current without reps dragging cards all day. Next pipeline is to log an activity. It writes a timeline note. Here the email is sent, call is scheduled and reply is received, so anyone can see the story at a glance. Adds due dates for next action to prevent stalls and missed follow-up. Next we have again the Airtable module to update a record. It writes back the latest CRM status, owner and stage to the central table. This keeps the operations and marketing in sync and lets non-CRM users see progress without asking sales for updates. Next we again have the send email module. It sends a timed follow-up or next step message, case study, calendar link or checklist. Pulls dynamic content based on lead score or source. Logs, sends and opens for tracking. Next we have is a send SMS module. It fires a short text for fast nudges like get your form here, here's the booking link or doc received, etc. Helpful for hot leads or time-sensitive steps. Next we have is the Google Calendar module. It books meetings automatically from a link or proposed times, invites both the sites, add notes and avoids conflicts. Also updates the Airtable CRM without the event details. Next we have is an OpenAI module. It basically drafts a personalized SMS or email with short summaries, call prep notes and quick answers based on the lead's information. Keeps the tone on brand and saves reps from writing from scratch each and every time for a new lead. Next we have is a Pipedrive CRM. After AI content is sent or a meeting is booked, it basically updates the deal, keeps sales steps tight and removes admin work from the team. Next we have is a Facebook leads module from Facebook forms in real time and sends them into the Airtable CRM with source tags. It triggers the same welcome and follow-up step so ad leads get treated instantly. Next we have is the Google Ads module. It pulls the UTM and campaign data from each lead, logs cost and keyword info. It helps tie spend to outcomes. It is very useful for ROAS and which campaigns feed wins. Next we have is the Newsy module. Builds and sends branded proposals from templates with autofilled client fields and items. It tracks views, then loops accepted proposals forward to e-signature and invoicing steps. Next we have is the DocuSign module. It sends the contract for e-signature, tracks signer's status, and stores the signed PDF back in the document with links in Airtable. So no more printing or chasing signatures manually. Next we have is the Stripe module. This basically generates a payment link or subscriptions, records the payment, and updates the deal as one when funds are clear. Also posts receipts back to the client record for finance or operations. Then we have is the Google BigQuery module. It acts as a data warehouse, collects the records from the CRM, ads, emails, meetings, proposals, contracts, and payments. We can use it for fast reporting, cohort views, and lifetime tracking. Next we have is the reporting module. It basically builds live dashboards, pipeline health, lead sources, conversion rates, revenue by campaign, time to close, etc. It gives leaders quick visibility without logging into every tool. Next we have is a built-in Meek.com tool that is a table aggregator. It merges the lists from different sources like Facebook, Google Ads, LinkedIn, etc. into one clean table with unique leads. Helps avoid duplicates and makes the next action cleaner. Next again we have is the send email module. It sends internal high alerts like contract signed, payment failed, etc. Keeps the team in the loop in real time so someone jumps on it fast. Next, we again have a tools module, Switch. It routes leads down different paths. For example, high score teams faster to track sales. Low score teams, we have to nurture them with emails. If they are missing phone number, then send emails only. Simple tools keep the flow smart. Next we have is the Google Sheets module. This is basically for lightweight logging for operations. Exports a simple list for manual reviews, finance handoffs, or sharing with partners. Great for quick checks without exposing the full CR. Next we have is the Leap AI. It handles AI vision or text tasks, extracts the data from uploads, cleans the messy texts, or create tailored content blocks, feeds the result back to the record to save manual data entry. Next we have is a Facebook custom audience, syncs qualified leads back to the Facebook for retargeting and lookalike, keeps ad audiences fresh so we are not wasting time on budget or old bad lists. Next we have is the Google Ads module. It basically uploads the customer list to Google for retargeting and exclusion, helps the client stop paying for clicks from people who already converted, and push warm leads closer to a decision. Last we have the BigQuery module, final write and sync, make sure all the steps, cost, status, and outcomes are stored for monthly or weekly reporting. It is reliable, board ready, and dashboard without complete manual exports. Now the question is, who can we sell this automation to? Now the ideal clients for this automation who might be ready to pay $25,000 upfront and $1,000 to $2,000 per month for maintenance. So first, you should look for B2B SaaS companies. They rely heavily on lead generation, demos, and recurring subscriptions. They need automated pipelines to capture, nurture, and close high-value clients. Next, you can approach marketing and advertising agencies. They handle multiple clients at once, value streamlined client acquisition and reporting. This automation can even be resold as a done-for-you solution. Next, you can sell this to real estate brokers because high-value deals require robust pipelines. Automating lead qualification, proposals, and contracts saves a lot of time. And while pitching them this automation, how do you actually justify the $25,000 mark plus $1,000 to $2,000 for monthly maintenance? And why they would actually pay that amount? They are in high-ticket industries where one client is almost $10,000, ranging up to $100,000 in revenue. Manual processes are bottleneck, costing them lost deals. They need a centralized, done-for-you system, cheaper than hiring a complete entire team. So this was my automation on end-to-end sales and marketing funnel. If you want access to this automation, so you can sell it too, you can get it for completely free in the description below. And there will also be a link to joinmeek.com, so you can even create amazing automations like these. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye.